Well, it looks like we got a little interruption there. I had a phone call. Well, I cut the glass too short. Actually, I don't know. Too short right there. I mean, I could just leave it like that. People say, yeah, that adds character. Yeah. I don't know. I got this piece. And then I cut, you saw the blue piece. Where's that thing? You know, I misplace stuff so easily up here on this desk. Well, anyhow, I'm going to find another piece of colored glass, see how that looks. Okay, so I found this. It's not, you can't see through it very well, I don't think. Let me see. We can get down in there, get a good shot of that. It doesn't really give it much. I think that would look cool in there. It's got like reds and a little bit of red in there, orange, green, kind of a fishy, mossy colored. That's blinding you, I'm sure. There you go. Give you a better look of it. Well, maybe cut out that little pattern down there. That looked pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here for a second. I'm going to cut it out and bring you back. Take a look at that. Instead of using my gold pen, we're going to try a magic marker. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. We'll go ahead and try to see what that looks like. I'll show you that to you in just a second. Okay. Well, I got her cut out. Got it cut out pretty good. I'll go ahead and set this down. Put the pointy part of it out front. Looks like I've taken off a little bit too much, but I think that's going to look pretty good. Let's move it out front here so you can see. I think green looks pretty good on that. I'm not going to overdo it. That is, I'm not going to go crazy with glass all the way through it. But I do need a piece in there to balance this out. I am going to put an eye of sorts in on top here. Give that an idea right there, like a nice little yellow eye right there. Just because I don't have it right now, I don't have the paint. I will paint a little pupil right there, a little black dot on the eye of the fish. I'll show it to you on the whiteboard here in a minute. And there you have it. Got the black on the eye, the green in the middle. What I'll do is I can move this wire in with some pliers, close it up. We'll get a flashlight just for a minute, just so we can see that green translucent come through. Okay, just to give an idea, because I can't get any light in behind it. There's our glass. Let's see, does that bring it up any better? Yeah, that does better. But that's what it'll look like in the hanging in a window. I was thinking about adding a little piece of glass back in here, but like right in the center there. Maybe. I don't know. I don't want to do too much to it. Be overkill. Well, this has been a Rudecreationz on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to go ahead and be doing more of these fish in the coming weeks. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. And have a great day. God bless you.